Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Ready to dive into the amazing world of wireless electronics? Today, I'm going to guide you through installing your very own wireless devices at home. Whether it's smart lights, speakers, or security cameras, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First things first, safety is key. Always turn off the power before starting any electrical work. Trust me, you don't want any nasty shocks. All right, on to the fun part. Step 1, gather your tools. You'll need a screwdriver, a voltage tester, wire strippers, and, of course, your wireless device. Got everything? Great! Step 2, choose the right location. For something like a smart light, you want to pick a spot that gets good coverage in your room. For a security camera, make sure it has a clear view of the area you want to monitor. Placement is crucial, so take a moment to think it through. Step 3, remove the old device. If you're replacing an old light or camera, carefully unscrew it and disconnect the wires. Use your voltage tester to double-check there's no power running. Safety first, folks. Step 4, connect the new device. Match the wires from your new wireless device to the existing ones in your wall or ceiling. Typically, you'll have a black or red live wire, a white neutral wire, and a green or bare ground wire. Twist them together and secure with wire nuts. Make sure everything's nice and snug. Step 5, mount your device, attach it to the wall or ceiling using the screws provided. Make sure it's securely in place. You don't want it falling down. Step 6, power it up. Turn the power back on and check if your device lights up or shows any signs of life. If it does, you're on the right track. Finally, step 7, connect to your network. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to link your new wireless device to your home Wi-Fi. Usually, this involves downloading an app and following some prompts. Easy peasy. And there you have it, a brand new wireless electronic device installed all by yourself. Give yourself a pat on the back. Remember, the more you practice, the easier it gets. Happy DIYing! Catch you next time.